I'm not friends with him. I don't like him. He said something in Big Boss. And I
How
wanted
old
to
were
do-
you?
The story is important, not the age. My entire family was against it. Society, entire, relatives. अभी तो मैं हरियाणा की फेवरेट लड़की हूँ कि वहाँ के माँ बाप ऐसे होंगे, पढ़े लिखे नहीं होंगे, बेटियों को मार दिया जाता है. I also don't get dick pictures in my DM.
Are you gay?
The girl took me out for dinner and I thought she just taking me out. हरियाणा से बदनाम है बेमतलब का.
Why do Haranvi men? They're toxic, but they're really hot.
When I won roadies, I went to surprise him. He was with someone else. I was heartbroken, physically broken, mentally broken, emotionally broken, financially broken.
You have one.
I have won roadies. I auditioned for 4 years. I stood in lines for 4 years.
मेरे को आप बोल रहे हो कैमरा में पता है कितना ट्रोल हो जाओगी मैं तो
मेरी
फोटे ही गाली है.
रघु said तू कभी आ ही नहीं सकती. आ गई तो तेरे को मार खाएंगे सारे. I'm very sorry to say, but I cannot stay with 10-20 dumb guys in one house. I'm gonna get trolled. They are not willing to take me. जिसकी गर्दन टूटी और headstand कर ले, that's the maximum you can show. Kashish is a very good guy.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
What was that really? Last episode में दिखा तो देते हैं ये लो चाबी चला लो.
हाँ.
फिर एक शॉट के बाद कहेंगे वापस दे दो. फिनाले वाले दिन उसने मुझे सुबह एक बात बोली थी. मुझे आज ठीक सा नहीं लग रहा है. I said yeah, आज तू हारने वाला है. MTV, why I have not been a gang leader yet? You should answer people.
Ask her whether she was really the real winner.
I've learned this.
Is Prince actually full of ego or too self-centered? What is the reason behind him not having won the show for so many seasons?
अभी नेहा धूपिया ने लड़के को आगे कर दिया. In this situation, Prince used to be the one वो लड़की भेज देते थे.
Samyukta, do you think is over dramatic?
She is over dramatic. बसीर ने हैदराबाद में जाके सबको ये बोला है कि लड़की जितानी थी इस बार तो लड़की तो बहुत सालों से जीती नहीं है. I'm telling you again, I think girls didn't like me and they didn't find me cool. साड़ी पहन के आप शो नहीं जीत जाओगे. वो बंदा मुझे टीज कर रहा था. मैंने ये नहीं कहा था कि वो मुझे छेड़ रहा है. मैंने ये कहा था वो मुझे तंग कर रहा है. And I reached out to Neha Dhupia, reached out to रणविजय कि मेरी सारी इमेज की बैंड बज रही है. They said 2 दिन में शांत हो जाएगा.
प्यार का चक्कर बहुत से टक्कर.
I met Hamid 2 years ago. And he has potential. I don't know why he's not using. So I jumped from some place. I hit my head and I broke my spine. My endorsements were gone. My upcoming work was gone.
You said you're not a proud Indian. Why would you say that?
Nobody did. Everybody wanted to make money or everybody wanted to spoil the case. बहुत बुरा हाल होता है by the way. Photographers who used to die to work with me, now they don't want to shoot me. I happened to ask this guy his name in Ashish Bhatia's birthday party. I said, hi, what's your name? He got offended. I can't tell you. You're like, who? She needs controversy. Khatra to I am rigged winner.
Hi guys, what is up? This is your girl Bhav and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have the queen herself, the OG from Roadies, Miss Shweta. Hello.
Mehta, hi.
How are you?
Thanks for having me here. It's such a pleasure.
I want to start the
Well.
podcast by apologizing, FYI. Because you know what? I really forgot that I had a podcast with her yesterday. I'm really sorry about it.
You gotta stop. She has said sorry like 10 times already. You don't
Yeah,
have to.
and you know, I had to say it for my audience to know that I do mess up, fuck up, but apologizing I think works sometimes. But Shweta, how are you today?
I'm doing great. I'm very happy.
Where are you coming from?
I'm doing an Indo-German film. It's for film festivals. The preparation is on. We're shooting in a week. Yeah, that's what we're
Everything-
shooting at this hour. It's 11:30 p.m.
It's
guys.
11:30. How is life?
Life is good.
Life is good. So Shweta, before I start with my questions, my first question to you is, this personality of yours is so different than a lot of women I have met in my life.
Okay.
So is there a reason behind having a personality like this? Like you always wanted to be different than the crowd, or it's just...
I don't do things for others. I think that's what makes a personality different. Because there is no pressure of being in a certain way. I just be myself. and that what makes people feel different about
Okay.
me.
Okay.
But you have met different type of people. You've been
Yeah.
doing this podcast for really long, and even then, if you say I'm different, maybe the
Different in a very different way, because I think Datta and you, and I've met you two recently only one by one. You guys are so different than the women I meet. Like, you know, very feminine, very dressing is very different, aura is very different. You know, you like, and you know, others like act chui mui. So you are not.
I
that.
think the answer would be yourself.
So
Then
you-
there is no pressure, and
so-
then you're more confident. There is you more freedom about your look, your thoughts, your talking, your speech, and that what makes you look very different.
So you were
You're-
always like this since a
Yes,
kid.
Always. I've always have this aura and interest in achieving things. So that when you're so much focused and you're goal oriented, आपके पास बाकी चीज़ों का सोचने का टाइम ही नहीं मिलता. कौन क्या सोच रहा है? This is what you want to wear today, you will wear. You don't think about other things. तो कुछ भी उसको affect करने के लिए है ही नहीं. So
Your
you
mom
slowly-
and dad, like, what family do you come from? Like, your mom and dad, like, were, like, obviously you have tattoos also.
I have 14 tattoos.
14 tattoos. So what was it like, your mom and dad's
I
reaction?
have an amazing journey. So I was working as a software developer in Bangalore, and I
How
wanted
old
to
were
do-
you?
Oh my God, who asked girl her age?
That then, so you can tell us.
No, the story is important, not the age.
Are
So
you?
I was into software development. I was an engineer, and I wanted to get into fitness, and I wanted to wear bikini on stage. It's not like I wanted to wear, but stage पे आप bikini पहनोगे ना bodybuilding competitions में. I've told this story many times, and it's a motivational story because जब मैंने bodybuilding के competitions किए थे, that is before ODs, 2015, 2016. My entire family was against it. Society, entire, relatives, पूरा का पूरा city ही against था. और उन्होंने मुझे घर भी नहीं आने दिया था 2 साल. Just because
Bodybuilding, killer.
Yes.
And you were wearing such clothes.
I'm not wearing such clothes. It's called bodybuilding suit. This is what you wear on stage. Otherwise, you'll never see me revealing skin. I'm not into skin show. You'll always see me in very sophisticated clothes. Even if it's party, it's a concert, always.
So, like, let's go to bodybuilding once before you tell the outfits. I have done a lot of podcasts again with a lot of men, not women, who have done competitions.
Okay.
So, you competed in natural or you competed in.
I did bodybuilding. The category is bikini. There are 3 categories: bikini, fitness, and figure. Bikini has natural thing. You don't have to take steroids. You're not muscular. You are aesthetically more beautiful.
Okay.
So I've done that, and I won it. And I'm national winner.
Okay.
And I then represented India and US in Asian Championships. So when this was happening, I was an engineer. I did this parallel. My parents were against. They kind of boycotted me completely. After that, I won roadies, and then tables turn. अभी तो मैं हरियाणा की favorite लड़की हूँ. All girls look up to me. Their parents say that we want our daughters to be like you. But nobody understands कि जब आपको ज़रूरत होती है तब आप नहीं आते हो साथ.
You said आप हरियाणा की favorite लड़की हो.
अब तो हो गई हूँ.
Let's get to the point then. So there is still a notion, a taboo out there, like certain women dress. अभी भी I have been following up, watching certain PIs on Instagram reels, Instagram K, and people come, boys and women both, say different gender also, and have the same story कि हमें नहीं करने दिया क्योंकि हम हरियाणा से हैं, and we have not given that exposure. मम्मी पापा ने कभी करने नहीं दिया. Do you believe in that?
Yes. There are 2 reasons. पेरेंट्स वहाँ के बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करते हैं अपने बच्चों को. सब जगह करते हैं. वहाँ के कुछ ज़्यादा करते हैं. They want their kids to be protective all the time. I mean, they want their kids to be protected by them. They are protective towards their kids. अभी भी बॉम्बे को मायानगरी ही बोला जाता है, And anything which is out there on social media is wrong for them. They want their kids to be educated. आप engineers बन जाओ, आप doctors बन जाओ, teachers बन जाओ, but ये सब मत करो. इसके reasons हैं उनके. Honestly, हरियाणा ऐसा नहीं है कि वहाँ पढ़े लिखे लोग नहीं हैं और सारे अनपढ़ हैं और सारे गाँव हैं. ऐसा कुछ नहीं. I'm from very educated family. लेकिन वो चाहते हैं कि इन सब चीज़ों में घुस जाओगे तो अपना करियर बना नहीं पाओगे. That's the problem. एक्सपोजर है, अब तो है एक्सपोजर सबके पास सोशल मीडिया की वजह से. मैंने 2017 में रोडीज़ किया था, तब तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. स्टोरी सेम है क्योंकि पेरेंट्स सेम हैं, बट दिस जनरेशन विल चेंज थिंग्स.
This generation will change things obviously, and we pray for that also. But जब मैं ये PIs देखती हूँ रोडीज के स्पेशली, उसके अंदर लोग ये बोलते हैं कि हरियाणा में लड़कियों को दबाया जाता है,
एक दो ऐसी कास्ट्स हैं, एक दो ऐसे एरियाज हैं, अदरवाइज ऐसा नहीं है. वी आर एजुकेटेड, वी गोटा चेंज इट. द प्रॉब्लम इज एक नोशन जो होता है वो बस वो चलते रहता है. नाउ यू वॉच हॉलीवुड फिल्म्स, दे विल ऑलवेज शो इंडिया एज अ पुअर कंट्री. डू यू थिंक इंडिया इज पुअर कंट्री? यस, like
It's a developing
it's a big
country.
debate and big argument. Yes,
It's a developing country.
developing country,
Yeah.
and we have a huge population which is below the average belt. I mean to say that we still have a lot of rich people. We have big cities here. We have access to almost everything. But when you watch some Hollywood film, they will always show India as a poor country. The same way, Haryana is always considered कि वहाँ के माँ बाप ऐसे होंगे, पढ़े लिखे नहीं होंगे, अखाड़े हैं वहाँ पर, बेटियों को पढ़ाने नहीं दिया जाता या बेटियों को मार दिया जाता है. कुछ जगह ऐसा है, but पूरा हरियाणा ऐसा नहीं है.
Okay.
And I have changed a lot of such notions after winning.
Like your journey, you said your mom and dad did not like it when you were competing in
Yes.
the outfits you were wearing, which was the costume of the particular
Game,
tournament.
sport, yeah.
But then they accepted you once you won roadies.
Not because they got very comfortable with it. They probably will still not be comfortable with it, watching their daughter wearing bikini or swimsuits. They agreed to one point that their daughter is very focused. She really wants to become something. ऐसा नहीं कि skin show करना है सिर्फ. That what they understood. और जब वो चीज़ समझे, for example, जहाँ पे fitness competitions थे, I wore bikini. जहाँ पे roadies था, you won't see even one clip of me in roadies where I'm showing my cleavage. It's not required. It wasn't required. And still I won the show.
Okay.
जहाँ ज़रूरत नहीं है वहाँ पे ज़रूरत नहीं थी. जहाँ ज़रूरत थी वहाँ मैंने पहना था. धीरे धीरे वो इस चीज़ को समझे. Now my mom is the one who selects which bikini I'm gonna wear on my birthday. My brothers gift me bikinis. My brother just came from Australia, and the reels I've been posting, those bikinis on my birthday in Goa, my brother gifted me. I transformed my entire family. And that's what I always say. You make your parents best friends. You don't need anybody else. My entire family, the close ones, the first blood relations, they love me. I have 3 brothers. They all follow me, and with proud, you know. And it's so beautiful.
So when you were competing, I want to ask this question since you are a female out here. Did you ever take steroids, and what's your take on steroids?
I haven't taken steroids, but because I won, people assume I would have taken. But I can clear it out. So I did 3 major competitions. I won them. After that, I didn't do it. There was this reason that if I continue, I won roadies already. So वो भी कारण था कि मैंने नहीं continue किया.
Steroid लेना.
नहीं, competitions करना.
अच्छा.
लेकिन एक और कारण ये था कि अगर मैं और competitions करती तो एक टाइम के बाद आके body अपना best नहीं दे पाती. You need steroids.
Okay.
Steroids is a requirement of bodybuilding. Now it's your call कि आपको लेना है कि नहीं लेना है. The notion here, the problem here is बहुत से women, men also, they think कि gym जाना है कौन से steroids ले. ऐसा नहीं होता है. आप 2 साल तो सिर्फ अपना ही best दे सकते हो बिना steroids के. उसके बाद when your body will need it, you need steroids. I did not take steroids.
Ever?
Ever. You can watch my pictures, and you can watch pictures of girls who are doing competitions today, and you
तो
will see
veins जो
huge.
बाहर आने लगती
मेरी
है,
veins बाहर नहीं आई थी.
तो जिनकी भी veins बाहर आ रही होती हैं उनको steroids.
No, that would not be the right way to judge. You can judge if the person is on steroids with the amount of muscles they're carrying on their body and how much they're shredded.
Shredded.
Yes.
If for a layman, how would you explain shredded?
When you have low body fat, जहाँ पे fats कम और muscles ज़्यादा दिख रहे हैं,
Okay.
then
okay.
you can figure out.
So,
women have a lot of facial hair, उनका jawline change हो जाता है,
Yeah,
आवाज़
because
change हो जाती
testosterone
है.
बढ़ जाता है ना
Yes,
बॉडी के अंदर. So here's the thing, like because हम लोगों को ये बोला जाता है like because I तो don't know what gym is also, but तो उसके अंदर होता है कि लोग कहते हैं कि तुम्हारी veins दिखने लगती हैं तो आप steroids ले रहे हो.
No, no. If you do a lot of heavy weight lifting, आपके forearms में vein दिखेंगे. That's the blood circulation.
आपने क्यों नहीं लिया कभी?
Steroids.
हाँ.
I like to be feminine. I was given a choice. आपको करना है bodybuilding. It is requirement, and you will have to take steroids to win. अगर I don't want to spoil my jawline. I like this beauty which I've got it from my mom. I didn't want to spoil my dimples, and I didn't know, but God knew maybe that I will get into acting later. So I'm very thankful that I never considered that.
So now coming back to the outfit situation which I cut you over there. तो outfits जो आप पहनते हो और आप बोल रहे हो कि normally you don't show the skin, but in bodybuilding वाला situation में आप skin show करते हो. तो ऐसा तो कोई problem नहीं है कि क्योंकि because ऐसे लोग ये भी perceive कर सकते हैं. ऐसा तो कोई problem नहीं है ना कि problem है पहन मतलब I'm not because you kinda said 2 things. You know, in one statement, कि I don't show skin in real life, but I'm only showing skin on
On the
Or
stage.
stage.
Also, when you go to beach, you would wear swimwear.
Okay.
There is a difference, you know.
Do you get trolled by men?
Oh no.
Or female
No.
and-
I think I'm very proud of this thing, Bhavya. I don't get a lot of negative comments.
Okay.
I also don't get dick pictures in my DMs. I think I have reached that level where it's more of respect, which I like.
Okay.
But I'm like, nobody's flirting with me. Nobody's doing things. Everybody would either call me ma'am or I'm inspired by your motivational journey. I think my journey has been very motivational.
Okay.
तो लोग फ्लर्ट करने से पहले
I have also one more question. Ask Datta also this question. I want to ask the same question. Do you think the women who have a little muscular body, you don't have a little bit? Okay, we get it. You work out, but it's not like
yeah.
you know what I'm saying. आपको कभी you have been hit by women and you've been like, oh, are you gay?
Twice.
Twice.
Once in Bhopal, once in Bangalore.
How do you take it?
The girl took me out for dinner and I thought she'd just taken me out, and later she said it's a date. I said, oh, what date? Are you not into girls? I said, no, I'm not.
Oh, that's so cute.
No, I just kind of vanished
So
from
you're
that dinner.
so straight, proper straight.
Oh, 100% straight. मेरे जिम में पिछले जिम में आई कैन इवन नेम इट साइक्स जिम में एक लड़के ने मुझे बोला 2 साल के बाद या यू गे आई सेड आई एम नॉट नो यू आर गे हु टोल्ड यू
Why do you think they say?
2 साल से तो यही सोच रहे हैं आई सेड इज दैट द रीजन नोबडी इज हिटिंग ऑन
Hitting on
हियर
me?
दैट्स सो बैड
Yeah. So
No, I'm very
why do you think
straight.
people conceive women like that gay, like who are little muscular or like tomboyish?
I think it's the same way when guys are a little more
Feminine.
into feminine, we
Yeah.
would say, okay, this guy is gay.
Okay.
Maybe that guy is being brought up with sisters and too much with mother and her aunts, his aunt, and we will, you know, start to feel कि gay होगा क्योंकि इसमें थोड़े वो
लक्षण है।
लक्षण है या
Mummy.
you know, I'm sorry, in India girls like Datta and me, we're working out and we still have feminine touch in us. ये बाहर common है. I travel to Australia a lot. I like that country. I belong to that country. It feels like वहाँ सब ऐसे हैं. A normal college girl, a normal cafe worker would be like this. वो लोग workout करते हैं.
Are you inspired by Western culture?
I am not inspired by them, but when I started to travel, I felt that I belonged there because they don't care about others, and I don't care about any other opinion.
Oh, good. You never cared.
Never cared. I just care about my family a lot. Okay, it's a contradicting statement. I care about them, but certain things I will still do it.
No,
I'll
that's-
hurt them.
Yeah.
But deep down, I know that they will agree after some time.
Yeah, I think that's not contradictory.
My mom
at all.
once taught me. I used to tell my mom, "Why are you against bodybuilding? आपको क्या problem है? आपको तो अच्छा लगता है ना?" And she used to say, "हम तब तक लड़ते रहेंगे, तब तक नाराज होते रहेंगे, जब तक तुम कुछ बन नहीं जाती." Sorry, but this is how it's gonna be. I can't support.
That's really nice, though.
She said that.
It worked in your favor.
Yeah, my mom is my really good teacher.
Your best friend.
Right now, she is my best friend. I talk to her about everything, and I'm again saying, you make your parents and your brothers best friends. It's such a beautiful connection. I finish a date, I would sit in my car, do a conference call to my brother, my bhabhi, and my parents. We roast that guy. This happened in the
You are
industry.
setting a saying a big statement coming from Haryana and all of that places. You know why? Because हमको तो हमेशा से यही कि बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ बोला गया, you know.
बेटी को पढ़ा दो,
हाँ,
बेटी-
but क्योंकि वहाँ पे होता है, movies में भी दिखाते हैं. There's so many things movies teach us, you know, like where women are killed before they are born and all of that. And
We gotta change that. नहीं, वो picture real नहीं है सब जगह. जितना हरियाणा में हो रहा है,
how much proportion,
उतना
if
दिल्ली
I
में
ask
भी
you
हो
to
रहा है.
bifurcate the percentage, how will you bifurcate it?
I'm not the right person to say that number, but I would just say कि जो भी corruption या फिर क्या word है, crimes अगर हो रहे हैं, वो और जगह भी हो रहे हैं. हरियाणा से बदनाम है बेमतलब का.
क्या बात
इतना नहीं है. हरियाणा में बहुत पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं, honestly.
Who's your favorite Haryana person? Like who's famous and is Haryanvi and like made it? Who do you think? Is there somebody? Elvish is there. Elvish is
Oh
making
no, I
big.
wasn't thinking about him. I was thinking about. I'm sorry, I forgot his name. It's such a bad thing.
Who? Somebody's there?
Actor.
Huda?
Yes.
Randeep Huda.
Yes, Randeep
Okay. You
Randeep
could have
Huda.
asked me. I would have told you.
I am not.
Men are really hot in Haryana.
Why I took so much time to answer this question?
Okay.
I'm not fan of anybody.
Can I ask you a personal question? I know my girlies are gonna like it.
Okay.
So, why do Haryanvi men like? Wow,
Oh my
there's
God,
something
tall
about
and
them.
muscular.
But they're a little toxic. They're,
Ah.
they're toxic, but they are really hot. Why do you think so?
I haven't come across any toxic guys, so I don't know if they're toxic, but I've heard a lot about it. Yes, that's true. They're hot because of genes, and they're toxic maybe because of. I think I can answer that question. Education plays a big role. I think they're not educated people.
But you
Who are
just
toxic.
said that Haryana is educated.
I'm saying that there is a misconception कि सभी लोग अनपढ़ हैं.
वो तो हर जगह हर
वो
किस्म का
हर
लोग
जगह
होता
है.
है.
Yes. जो पढ़े लिखे नहीं हैं वो ही टॉक्सिक होंगे, I'm sure.
Okay, but very hot men, very hot.
What will you
men.
do with the hotness if they're toxic?
But I don't mind like we're coming out of a toxic relationship doing some.
No.
But coming back to your split.
Peace
uh,
over everything.
Peace over. Have you ever dated a Haryanvi man?
I haven't dated much guys. I have dated a South Indian, the only love.
Okay,
of
where
my
are you?
life.
What
I
part
have
of
a
country?
boyfriend. It's been 5 years. I just dated one guy. I broke up after I won roadies, and that's the only love story I have.
Can we know a little about it?
Yeah, he was love of my life, and I have always.
So you won roadies after that?
I won roadies. No, he was with me during my national competitions, bodybuilding. I think he was my big source of inspiration,
yeah.
support also. I remember every time when I got a trophy, I looked at him. He was always there. When I won roadies, I went to surprise him, and he was from Hyderabad. He was with someone else. I broke down. I have not watched my own season because I was so happy that I won it, and he always complained that I did not give him much time. अब यार आपकी बंदी national competitions कर रही है वो she can't come every weekend for a party, which he did not understand at that time. जब मैं रोडीज जीत गई मुझे लगा अभी तो 6 महीना टीवी पे आएगा हम लोग chill करेंगे. I was so happy. Those 2 days were the best days of my life. I met my parents, and then I went to Hyderabad. I went there and I saw him with someone else. I broke down. From Hyderabad, I went back to Bangalore because that's the place where I used to live. 6 months. I was kind of locked in my house. I didn't know what stories.
I can't believe you also went through a
I
heartbreak.
think every girl has.
So how did you deal with it?
I couldn't deal at that time. I took 2-3 years to move on. Then I moved to Mumbai, started to work. Life didn't do good. Even then, I met with an accident.
I know we're gonna come to that.
But this is related because I was heartbroken, and the only thing which was keeping me up was fitness. And then I broke my neck. I was in bed. So I was heartbroken, physically broken, mentally broken, emotionally broken, financially broken. I don't know.
Shweta, I have a question now. Lot of people come on my podcast, and I've seen other podcasts also, not about mine, who say that fitness helped them get out of a dark space. What are they talking about?
It's not fitness brought them back. I think it's self-love. Deep down they liked fitness and they used it. It's not that something you can start. A breakup हो गया कल से जिम जाना चले जाओ. It's not like that. It's part of self-love.
Okay. Like अगर breakup हो, like breakup के बाद तो नहीं, like lot of people have New Year resolutions also to start gym and all of that, you know, like life अच्छी हो जाएगी, ये हो जाएगा. A lot of people have said, you know, like fitness kept me sane, fitness kept me sane. You know, I don't relate to it because I've never went to the gym also, but I just want to know, like, if anybody like me is watching, what advice you, like, I'm also in a pretty dark space right now.
You are?
Yeah, I told you, like.
Yeah, I'm taking you gym tomorrow. And you're going to say that in your next podcast that fitness kept me sane. Gym kept me sane.
How?
No, it's self-love. Fitness is totally self-love. Nobody can push you to go to gym. Nobody can make you lift weight. It comes with it.
People go to lose weight.
That's a myth. Gym is not about losing weight. I think people should see gym as a healthy space. हेल्थ को इम्पोर्टेंस देना चाहिए, पतले होने को नहीं. एस्थेटिक्स इज अ बाय प्रोडक्ट. आप अच्छे दिखोगे ही दिखोगे. आपको हेल्थ को फोकस करना चाहिए.
मैं बाली जी का एक पॉडकास्ट देख रही थी, एंड शी नेवर डज पॉडकास्ट. There's one podcast she did with Cyrus, and Cyrus is a friend of mine. So I saw it, and you know, I was like, wow. She kept talking about how important fitness is, and you know, she was carrying her own dabbas and all of that, and she did not cheat with the meals and all that. Have you ever met Bani?
Yes, I have.
Yes. Oh God, I don't love her, bro. Only one person I'll be gay for. I really love her.
That's a big statement.
Yeah, dude, I really love her. So
Anybody, you know, how you are so fascinated with somebody's discipline and consistency.
Yeah.
That is what fitness brings to your life.
that's what I was
Yes.
going with.
That's what fitness will tell you. Because that is something you cannot buy. That is something no one else can do on behalf of you. That is something only you have to do it. And when you start doing it, and by chance if you start liking it, you will get discipline in your life. consistency in your life, you will start looking life in a different perspective.
I get it. Now I think that much I've cleared out that why fitness kept you sane and all of that. I will come to the injury also later. But I want to know how was your interaction with Bani J?
No, we used to go to gym together in, I think, Body
Is she
Holics.
sweet or whatever?
We didn't speak too much, but yeah, we just met during workouts. Hi, hello.
Okay. She
Yeah.
has won
I've never
roadies.
been friends with her. If
Has
that's
she
what
won
you want to-
roadies?
She has not won roadies. She was I think,
Fine.
runner-up.
Runner-up.
Yeah.
You have won roadies.
I have won roadies.
Are you the only female?
I'm not the only female. There are a couple of other females, but the thing is, I wouldn't say I respect every woman out there, but I think I performed so much that people think that I'm the only one who won. Because I won quarter finale, I won semi finale, I won finale. I fought so much against guys. That's why my winning is more important than others.
No,
That's
I
what people
don't
think.
really remember
Yeah.
any.
Because I think एक लड़की जीती थी, वो वोटिंग में ही जीत गई. लास्ट एपिसोड को उन्होंने फिनाले को वोटिंग कर दिया. वोट कर दो, उन्होंने लड़की को वोट किया और लड़की जीत गई. So that winning is not actually winning for so many people out there. But
Have you been approached as a gang leader? Because there are a lot of questions. on that.
ask MTV about that.
No. No? Yes.
I don't know. How can you answer that?
But why have you not been a gang leader? It could have been a very amazing gang leader.
MTV, why I have not been a gang leader yet? You should answer people.
Okay, now let's.
So many people say
yeah,
that,
because
you know.
they're questions. They're questions
So
which.
many people say that.
Yeah. So now let's go back to roadies. I want to know what is roadies for you, first of all, is my question.
Roadies is in my blood. Now, anyways, it is
क्या
in
है
my
roadies?
blood.
मतलब क्या है roadies
I
का?
think roadies बनना एक कीड़ा होता है जो बस पनप जाता है.
ये हम
बड़ा
में तो
हो
आया ही
जाता
नहीं
है.
कभी.
नहीं आया? हाँ. रोडीज की खास बात है, रोडीज के जो फैंस हैं ना, वो बनते नहीं हैं, वो हैं या नहीं हैं. You must have noticed that. So Big Boss, if you watch for 10 days, you get addicted. Splitsla, you start to like, okay, he's dating her, she's dating him. Roadies is something, the name itself is like, if you know it, you like it, or you just don't like it.
Yeah.
I have not met anybody who started liking it.
No.
Never.
No, it's a
Yeah.
cult.
Yeah, it's a cult,
It's a
you can say
cult,
that.
yeah.
You want to become a roadie, and that's it. Also, so many people who are audience. Big Boss जो देखता है वो ये नहीं कह सकता मुझे Big Boss में जाना है. Roadies is something, it's such a nice statement, even I didn't know I would say that. Roadies is something that मुझे भी जाना है. Because deep down he knows he can go, you know.
Yeah.
So everybody who loves roadies wants to be part of roadies. That's what the special thing about roadies.
So roadies was in your blood. But if I ask you that, define roadies before Shweta Mehta
Before
became
winning.
Shweta Mehta, how will you define roadies?
Before winning, it was Zid. I think Zid चाहिए आपको roadies के लिए. मैंने 4 साल
Are you
audition दिया है.
rebellious? Did you ever rebel in life?
No. I'm very.
You look like you are somebody who like, नहीं
I'm-
मुझे करना है.
Yes, so in a way, rebel is not the right word for that. I'm stubborn.
Okay.
If I want something, I'll do it. अब उसको 1 साल लगे, 4 साल लगे या 10 साल लगे. And I am also ready to put as much efforts as it requires. ऐसे नहीं कि बस करना है. I know what it takes. I auditioned for 4 years. I stood in lines for 4 years and then I got in. I think deep down I knew I will get in. I have to get in.
So I want to say this on camera. So Shweta sent me this reel of Basir, and Basir is a very dear friend of mine. But I really want to say this. I think Basir has only made such statements in my podcast where he said that like they called me and there was this and that, and he got jumped off the line. But all the people who I have met and other people, because Basir has that charm and sass and all that, we get it. But you have really worked hard to be in roadies. I want to know, how did you get into roadies? Like, what was the journey?
I got in my first interview in Pune.
Okay. Before everything, why?
I'm talking about first audition.
Okay.
I don't know. I was
Year?
working into IT 2014.
Oh.
I was working into IT and I came from Bangalore to Pune.
Okay.
First round, I couldn't clear. Because I was very much intimidated by all the people out there. सब लोग इतने फैंसी है, सब लोग इतने लाउड हैं, हम लाइनों में खड़े हैं. जो लड़कियां बिल्कुल सिंपल लग रही हैं, वो आगे जो राउंड होता है ना, डिबेट राउंड, उसमें गालियाँ निकाल रहे हैं. एंड आई एम समबडी हु डजंट लाइक फाउल लैंग्वेज. हम लोग ये लड़कियाँ तो
But
सही
why?
हैं. I don't know, I just never liked.
Personal choice.
Personal
You
choice.
never
Education.
abused in real life.
No,
I
you
think-
must have not. Rare, very rare.
But it's also like, you're from Haryana, right?
Yes.
I'm from Delhi. And I think हमारे तो बचपन
No,
में
we're not allowed to say. I think it's upbringing.
Okay.
मम्मा थप्पड़ मारेगी
मेरे को
साथ
आप
के
बोल
साथ।
रहे हो कैमरा में, पता है मैं कितना ट्रोल हो जाऊंगी
Yeah.
मैं तो
मेरी
फोटे ही गाली है.
मेरी माँ बाप ने मार मार के बुरा हाल कर देना. I'm teacher's daughter. It was never allowed.
Okay, then how?
So coming back to the point, मुझे ना, और मैं टीवी से नहीं हूँ. I wasn't an actor. मुझे वो प्रोसेस और वो लोग ही नहीं समझ में आए कि ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है. इतना डिफरेंट है लोग और ये कुछ भी कर रहे हैं लाइन्स में आने के लिए या लाइमलाइट में आने के लिए. I got rejected in that whatever. I mean, I did not even get selected for the second round, जिसमें हम debate करते हैं बैठकर. First time when I went, I think I reached that round where you do debate.
That's called GD, ना?
GD round. Second year, I did not even reach GD. मैं पहले राउंड से ही बाहर. I was so down. I think I looked that down. मुझे याद है मेरे मुंह पे इतना बड़ा दरवाज़ा बंद हुआ था. I said हो गया, and I was alone. I have not been like this. I wasn't.
You were introvert.
Introvert is not the right word. I was more sophisticated that I'm an IT engineer. I'm not too loud. You know
You
what
were
I mean?
educated. Let's just say that.
Yeah, kind of. It felt cringe maybe, and that was the first time I was seeing something like that. I like okay. होता है ना वो सब ज़मीन पे बैठे हैं, कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, कुछ भी पहन के आए हुए हैं, कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं. Educated is the right word. Second time तो मुझे second round तक भी नहीं पहुंची, पहले से ही बाहर.
फिर?
Third round में I reached PI.
Okay. Third time this we are talking, ना? 3
I
साल.
think I'm not. I see how bad I am. I'm not able to recollect well. First time when I went, I reached PI. जहाँ पे रघु राजीव ने मुझे बोला था कि तुम कभी नहीं जीत सकती.
I love Raghu.
You have seen that video of mine?
No, I'm not seen, but he's a friend of mine. Really.
रघु said तू कभी आ ही नहीं सकती. आ गई तो तेरे को मार खाएंगे सारे. That's there on TV. That happened on PI. Second time when I went, I thought मुझे कॉल आया था किसी का second time. तो मैं वहाँ पहुँची पुणे, ऐसे मुझे कॉल आया था. कहते किसका कॉल आया था? सब झूठ बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पे. You know now see, I am a software developer, very sophisticated, intelligent types. मैं तो इसलिए पहुँची हूँ कि मुझे कॉल आया. मैं वहाँ जाके पूछ रही हूँ मुझे इस नंबर का ये बंदा तो है ही नहीं, इस नाम का कोई बंदा ही नहीं है. And now I'm standing there in middle of thousands of people. अब मैं करूँ क्या, किसको बोलूँ कि मुझे बुलाया गया है. तो मुझे जैसे तैसे मैंने जीडी तक पहुँची सेकेंड ईयर में. जीडी से बाहर. थर्ड ईयर में पहले राउंड से ही बाहर. फोर्थ ईयर तक मैंने बहुत सारे बॉडी बिल्डिंग कॉम्पिटिशन्स जीत लिए थे. दैट फोर्थ ईयर वाज द चेंज ऑफ माय लाइफ. Then I had seen world. I had seen how to treat or probably handle the situation. Fourth year, 4 साल. It's not a joke. 4 साल.
But आपने हार नहीं मानी.
Exactly. आपको बेइज्जती महसूस होती है कि यार एक ही जगह बार-बार कैसे जाओगे. But that teaches you something beautiful. That would probably help me to come back from accident. It builds a character. Now it's up to you how you take it. But the thing is, why my story became a story? जब मेरे हाथ लग गया, फिर मैंने नहीं जाने दिया. You get it? Then I won it. If I wouldn't have won it, then this wouldn't have been a story.
तो आपके मम्मी पापा को आपने बताया था रोडीज के
3 साल नहीं बताया था.
3 साल नहीं बताया.
चौथे साल भी मैंने ऑडिशन देने तक नहीं बताया था. छितर पढ़ने थे.
क्यों?
Because they were like, you concentrate on your
studies.
Not studies.
Work.
Yeah, job.
हाँ.
Yeah.
तो नहीं बताया.
No.
तो जब उन्हें पता चला कि सिलेक्ट हो
तब
गई.
तक मैं सेलेक्ट हो चुकी थी और एक बहुत प्यारी चीज़ हुई थी. I'm very close to my third brother. You know what he said? I said मेरा हो गया. And he's like हाँ ठीक है, तो फिर गाड़ी किसको देनी है? पापा को देनी है या बॉम्बे लेके जानी है? हाँ ले कौन सी गाड़ी? अभी जा रही है तो जीतेगी तो सही ना. I did the podcast and I have put this interview. That much trust my family have on me.
He knew it.
He knew it before I got.
How
in the
many
show.
siblings you have?
3 brothers.
3 brothers and you are the youngest?
Yes.
Or the youngest
Yes.
sister?
Pampered? I'm not pampered. They have made me very strong.
So you're more close to your brothers?
I'm very close to everybody.
Everybody now.
Yes, now.
So now when you come back to ठीक है भैया ने बोल दिया कि अब तू जा रही है गाड़ी क्या करना है ये वो, which is really
it
gives goosebumps, dude. And then you went in the show.
I went to the show.
And
Show was also very difficult for me. Trust me, I'm not like Samyukta, I'm not like Basir or Priyank. All of them were very clever, very smart, very good to talk. They had seen cameras in their lives.
why did you say only these names?
Because they come from the media background, somewhere there. You know, Samyukta was an actor, Priyank was a
Basir
model.
was not an actor.
I think Basir was a model.
Yeah, but he was.
I mean to say, I took these names because these are the people.
OGs. I think I would say these are the OGs.
Later. But before that, when I saw them, I knew that they know the game.
Yeah.
didn't know much. Though I wanted to become roadie, I did not watch roadies a lot. I don't watch TV. I was too much into my work. I was a nerd. So when I met them, I saw them. I said, "ये तो नहीं होगा." After 15 days, so the journey is of 30-35 days. After 15 days, trust me, I felt कि ऐसे तो कैसे चलेगा? I'm losing and I'm not able to.
Did you not do politics at
No,
all?
no.
And you won.
After 15 days,
समझ आया.
I understood कि ऐसे तो नहीं होगा और अगर मैं ऐसे चली गई तो ये स्टोरी यही की यहीं रह जाएगी. I changed. Last 15 days, I killed it. I killed it. And not knowingly, I did some politics. I had said, I don't remember this guy's name. हम लोगों ने जाते एक ग्रुप बनाया था. मुझे उसका नाम याद करना चाहिए.
नहीं, मैं आपको नाम अच्छे से याद दिला दूंगी.
हाँ, so क्या किया उसका हमने बोला आपस में किसी को वोट नहीं करेंगे. And I had to convince them to vote against that guy, and everybody did. And I didn't know that is politics. It just happened क्योंकि उस दिन अगर वो नहीं जाता तो मैं जाती थी. मुझे politics करनी नहीं आती थी, but I think that's a survival mode. You automatically gets into that mode.
The zone. So there, अभी हम since roadies की बात कर रहे हैं, तो there are questions, couple of questions your fans have sent.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah.
First question is, ask her if she ever tried for Splitsvilla or any other reality show after roadies.
I'm very sorry to say, but I cannot stay with 10-20 dumb guys in one house. I'm gonna get trolled. नहीं होता है मुझसे. I'm sorry.
Okay. How is her relationship with any Splitsvilla? तो चलो ठीक है, dumb लोग आते हैं. Other reality show after road, other is Big Boss हो गया. Same thing for you?
No, I wouldn't say that. I wouldn't say that about Big Boss and Khatro Ke Khiladi. Big Boss has smart people. Khatro Ke Khiladi, honestly, but I think I don't want to lie about it. I think after my accident, they are not willing to take me. I have had meetings with them.
Okay.
And in every meeting, I'm asked if my neck is okay, if my head is okay, and I tell them that I'm fine. I don't have certificates as such, but it's been 5 years now, and I can do headstand. उससे बड़ा और कुछ नहीं हो सकता. जिसकी गर्दन टूटी और headstand कर ले, that's the maximum you can show. But I feel deep down that might be a problem. I'm not sure because Big Boss की meeting हर साल होती है मेरी, and every time I'm asked this question.
Big Boss की meeting.
Big Boss
खतरों
and
की.
खतरों की both and them all. They know.
Reel काट लेना. बच्चों. Okay.
I'm very much capable of doing both of them.
Yeah, yeah.
Although I'm very, very, very much concentrating on my acting career. That's also true.
Which is good.
So I'm okay. I'm open. I'm ready for this and I'm ready for that.
How is your relationship with fellow contestants after the show?
I don't hang out much with any roadies and Splitsvillans. Not because I don't want to. I'm a little picky and choosy. But everybody is good. It's just that I think I picked another path. That's why I don't
Okay, if I
get
ask
to
you,
hang out
okay,
much
let's.
with them.
Are you not in touch with anybody? Nobody.
I get to see them mostly in gyms.
Gyms.
And rare in
Like who?
events. Ashish Bhatia. I met Hamid recently. I met Arun also.
Okay, let's start. Kashish, how do you think he is in person?
Kashish is a very good guy.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
What was that, really?
I'm just saying, really. Ashish Bhatia.
Oh, I think he's my favorite.
He is nice.
He's very talented. I have this thing for talented people. I don't know what they do, where they have reached. I don't care about it. I just like talented people so much.
He is.
And his
He was in
girlfriend-
my season.
Oh, and his
Splitsvilla.
girlfriend? He won with her? He won with Kashish?
No.
I'm sorry, I don't watch. But I like his girlfriend a lot. She's very pretty, very good girl.
Okay. And Hamid you met recently.
Hamid is chill, super chill. Hamid should buckle up. I
Yeah, the last line really hit me hard.
he has potential and he's not using his potential
He's just because
to
he's
the max.
stuck up. See, really, like I'll tell you, what I really got out of your whole podcast so far is that, you know, once you do a show with MTV, you should know when to draw a line and move out of MTV and get on the broader paths of life. Yeah. So for me, when I did Splitsvilla, I never wanted to go back to MTV again because I'm like, I've done the biggest show and I don't want to go back to any other show. You know, I get it. I've got the audience, people know me. एक और show करने से numbers बढ़ जाएंगे, but the mental health, the age, it doesn't look good.
Number game is very bad.
Yeah. And I think you should know in any profession when to leave at.
Draw a line.
Yeah. I think
Again, you know, we can't judge that they did not draw a line. Maybe they really got good offer. Today, if we get a big offer, for
but
example,
you also
we
know
might
MTV doesn't pay. Come on, Shweta. We all know that. Were you paid in roadies?
No.
when
But I
you
want a car. Come on.
you got the car. There are a lot of people who come on board. I never got the car. Charisma was there. Martina did a podcast. Martina was like, I never got the bike. All of
Who?
that.
They did not fight for it. I fought for it for 1.5 years.
Okay. Oh,
Sorry, man.
you did fight
I
for
did,
it?
yeah.
You were like, I need the car. I need
Yeah.
the car. So
I
they
kept
said.
on following up. Yeah, later.
But then
I had to pay tax, but a lot of tax. 30%
yeah,
tax
yeah,
I paid.
obviously you have to pay the tax, but then ऐसा होता ना जीते तो मिल जानी चाहिए
साथ
बार
के
बार
साथ क्योंकि लास्ट एपिसोड में दिखा तो देते हैं ये लो चाबी
चाबी,
चला लो
हाँ।
फिर एक शॉट के बाद कहेंगे वापस दे दो
क्या बात है यार ऐसे थोड़ा होता है यार तो any contestant you're not friends with I get it but then I want to ask this question who's your favorite from the TV industry or in the movie industry
Hrithik Roshan.
are you friends
No. Hrithik Roshan is somebody who I haven't met for
You
some
friends?
reason. Sometimes you have this. I met Tiger Shroff, I met Vidit Jamal, I met Sonu Sood. I worked with all of them. Okay, what's going on?
I'm good
But I have not met Hrithik. I was supposed to do this ad once with HRX. I did not. I was supposed to do an ad with Cult. I couldn't. I was at a film festival where he crossed behind me.
Tiger
And I'm like, shit, I couldn't see him. I want to meet Hrithik so much that I could never.
bro Hrithik is a Greek god
I love Hrithik, yeah.
ask her about the fight between the gang leader especially Neha ma'am and
Prince
Prince
Narula. What's up with them?
what's up with them they're still fighting so what's
I don't
the-
know, but I saw something today on Instagram
Yeah.
where Ria is saying that
Don't
Neha-
fight for TRP when I'm Yana.
Yeah, I tell you so exactly the situation is Ria is saying to Neha कि ये अपने बंदों को eliminate कर देंगी ताकि इन्हें ज़्यादा screen time मिल जाए. And Neha was like, I don't need
to
more.
fight. I don't need to fight for screen time when you're
I'm
standing
standing
next to me.
you. Yeah, it was
I
crazy.
was like crazy.
This is the reason I love Neha Dhupia.
Neha
a lot.
Dhupia is
Neha ma'am
crazy.
she's very sharp. She is extremely sharp. People say बहुत लोग उन्हें troll कर रहे थे कि she's not fit.
Yeah. Yeah.
Physically she's not fit. She can't do the task. In fact, my finale was supposed to be done by both of us, but I did her part.
Yeah.
I did my part and I did her part.
Huh.
It doesn't matter what she has. No other judge has. She is very sharp.
She's smart.
Very smart. I
She's
like her.
smart woman. So if I ask you in your season, who all were the gang leaders? If
I
you-
was in Neha's team.
Yeah.
And Prince
Prince
Narula,
Rough.
and Vijay, and
Nikhil Chinappa.
Nikhil Chinappa.
Who do you think, like, obviously Neha is your favorite, but among all of them, who do you think deserves to be the perfect gang leader and still should come back?
It's the answer is Ranvijay in that case.
Ranvij is back.
Now he's hosting. He's not back as a gang leader.
There is something which will come out on the.
Earlier he used to handle a gang. Now he handles all the gangs, kind
Yeah.
of. But I still feel Ranvijay should
They
be
are
in the
gonna-
gang leader.
I don't
Why?
know.
Because right now he is seeing four the gang. He's seeing 4 gangs.
Yeah.
He should be a gang leader. He's really cool when he's a gang leader.
Okay. Yeah. Why do you say so though?
I think he guides team well. He knows well.
Okay. Okay. So what was the fight?
You had with who?
Neha ma'am and Prince sir की fight चलती रहेंगी. वो
अगर वो बंद हो गई
तो show
तो
चलेगा
तुम
ही
शो
नहीं.
कैसे देखोगे?
तड़का चाहिए. Her relationship with Neha Dhupia after the show.
It's very cool. It's very nice.
She talks to you?
Yeah, she talks to me. She
Wow.
replies to all my messages, and if something comes up, she also does shout outs for me.
Wow.
And I'm going to reach out to her when I'm getting my movie out.
That's
She'll
so
be proud,
sweet.
right?
That's so sweet of you.
There
And
are
her.
very few people who have picked up a path
Very
on
good.
their own, and I think I see that respect. In fact, Ranvijay sir respects me a lot. He gave me a lot of bites for my Telugu film, and he was very happy. And when somebody is giving you a video bite on their own, you can see the face that they were asked to provide it, or they're actually happy.
Dude, Neha Dhupia, I did not know that she's like that. Like, this is gonna be such a cute moment you just said because.
Oh, she is very good. I think she sees people and she respects talent again. Somebody who is doing things on their own is always very catchy. It's always impressive. I feel that. You don't demand respect. You cannot demand respect. Somebody would just do it. And I'm somebody who would never demand anything. It just comes naturally.
That's really sweet of you, Shweta. Her relationship with Novia, ask her who she should have wanted to win if she had been eliminated early.
Bullshit. Nobody? Why would I answer that question?
Come on, but who do you
You
think
can be
is
selfish about this because it's a past.
टक्कर कौन दे रहा था आपको अच्छी?
यार देखो फिनाले में तो बसीर ने दिया है I wanted. I think if I'm biased about women, then
How?
Meenal should have won.
Yeah.
I didn't like that she's out of this industry. She is a very great artist and very great contestant.
I think I've heard this name so much when your show was on air. It was crazy. But coming back to Basir, how was your? Are you friends with Basir?
Not really, we haven't spoken in years, but I remember one thing. फिनाले वाले दिन उसने मुझे सुबह एक बात बोली थी, मुझे आज ठीक सा नहीं लग रहा है. I said, yeah, आज तू हारने वाला है. You know, I won, not because someone else is weak. I won because I really think उस दिन हवा ही कुछ और थी भव्या. It's like everybody deep down knew the girl is gonna win after so many years, and we had really tough competition. कंपटीशन टफ था बट स्कोर टफ नहीं थे. उसने वो टास्क 18 मिनट में किया था और मैंने 17 मिनट में करके नहीं जीता, मैंने 10 मिनट में किया. It was that much difference and I'm proud of it, not because I won, you know, that he lost. I don't care who lost, who loses the game. I'm winning, that what matters.
But he told you.
I remember, and he wasn't friends with me in the show. He was never friends with me. I think you should ask these questions to people from my season if you ever come across. I don't think anybody liked me.
Why?
Guys, I think, found me very intimidated, and girls did not find me cool, I feel.
Have you always been the cool girl?
You think I was cool in the show?
On the show you won, sweetheart. I have to agree that you were the coolest.
I won the show because I was disciplined and I was focused. And I'm very proud of it. You will never see me hanging out in cafes, in dinner parties, in clubs, unnecessarily. I do party once a month or once 2 months with my two best friends, Akanksha and Apeksha. We three go, I come back. So otherwise you will never see me wasting time. Every day I tell myself I'm staying away from my family, which I love so much, to be with them. अब इतना दूर रह रहे हो तो एक भी दिन खराब नहीं करना. And I really don't waste even one day. I don't want to promote fitness. I never did. I promote dreams.
Okay.
If going to gym is your dream, do it. Whatever your dream is, you want to be a writer, actor, doctor, engineer, you got just one life and you are not even sure that you're going to wake up tomorrow. So do it today. Put something in it. And because जब एक बार आपका सपना पूरा होता है ना, बहुत मज़ा आता है. और वो मज़ा सिर्फ वो लोग बता सकते हैं जो वो जी चुके हैं. I have fulfilled 3 of my dreams.
Which are?
रोडीज से पहले मेरा जो competitions winning था, and my comeback. Coming back to my...
Come back. I will come back. Her relation... Okay, we have done this. Shweta is a really powerful woman. She's a goddess. Navneet Singh wanted to say this. Even most of us didn't, after Raghu and Ram, people properly started to follow since last season with Riya and Gautam. Okay. Is Prince actually full of ego or too self-centered? What is the reason behind him not having won the show for so many seasons?
He has such a good fan following. Why people hate him?
अब ये तो मुझे नहीं पता. मेरे साथ तो बन जाती कभी कभी.
Last line क्या थी?
Why hasn't he won from so many seasons? Come on, Shweta, spill the tea.
मुझसे तो हारे हैं ना वो, तो मैं क्या ही बोलूँ. मेरे तो सामने थे फिनाले, उन्हीं के साथ तो हुआ मेरा. Why he isn't one? Who am I to tell that? But what would be the thing? I think...
Do you think Prince is really full of himself? Like he's overconfident?
Overconfident, I won't say, but he knows things. And he's the only one who sends girls, by the way, for the competition ahead. He promotes women in a way that...
Yeah.
ठीक है, नेहा मैम ने शायद 1-2 बार नहीं जाने दिया था मुझे, ये कह के कि तुम हार जाओगी. But Prince has sent girls, and Prince was the one who used to start कि ये टास्क आज सब लड़कियों से ही करवाएंगे. क्योंकि क्या होता है ना, 4 गैंग्स हैं और कोई टास्क हो रहा है और उन्होंने चुनना है कि किस किसने करना है. अभी नेहा धूपिया ने लड़के को आगे कर दिया. अब निखिल चनापा वुड थिंक कि मुझे भी लड़का ही भेजना पड़ेगा ना, लड़की भेजूंगा तो टास्क हार जाएंगे. इन दिस सिचुएशन प्रिंस यूज्ड टू बी द वन, वो लड़की भेज देते थे. तो फिर नेहा धूपिया वुड से मैं भी लड़की भेज देती हूँ. आई स्वेयर दिस हैज हैपेंड. आई एम गेटिंग गूज़बम्प्स अबाउट इट बिकॉज दीज काइंड ऑफ टास्क हैपन इन पटियाला व्हेन वी डिड कबड्डी टास्क. ऐसा हुआ, लड़कों में होना था, वो पूरा टास्क ही लड़कियों का बन गया बिकॉज ऑफ हिम.
Yeah, man.
So I'm getting goosebumps all over my
Because
body.
I have sat in one of his podcasts. He was doing it with one of my very close friends, and you know he was talking like how he wanted to have a girl child, and you know how he loves women and all of that. So I totally get it where you're coming from,
He
because
gave a chance to women in the show, and Vijay does that too. But when it comes for Prince, it's more authentic. But why he's not winning? I don't know.
टीम
नहीं,
गलत
मुझे
चला
लगता है हाँ उनकी टीम वालों को शायद ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस हो जाता
कि
है
वो
कि
प्रिंस
प्रिंस है
की
मेरे
है।
साथ हम जीत जाएंगे सो आई थिंक प्रिंस तो गिव्स 100%.
Okay. Her favorite female roadie contestant so far?
Except me myself.
Yeah.
Good question. I haven't watched any season after me.
Before,
I don't know.
Bani was nice.
I haven't watched her season. I think I watched Shambhavi. एक शाम्भवी बड़ी pretty सी लड़की हुआ करती थी. मुझे उसके tasks नहीं पता.
Shambhavi was in my college. She was my senior. You know, there is
Yeah.
this tea. So basically, I entered college and people used to watch roadies and Splitsvilla back then. And then Shambhavi, Ayushman, Khurana. I did not. Ayushman is not from my college, but Shambhavi and Ayushman, all of them were like that.
Together.
No, not together. They were doing pehle ke roadies. So everybody used to talk about, you know what, Shambhavi is from Amity.
She's very
Shambhavi is from
pretty.
Amity.
I remember because I was a kid and I used to watch TV and I used to see that girl's face.
Yeah.
That's what I just remember. So I don't know who's my favorite in terms of performance. Come on, not many girls have performed in the show, so I don't know. But yeah, I'll stick to Shambhavi.
Shambhavi. Okay, politics of gang leaders. Do you think?
It has to be there. Yes, they have their favorites, and they do politics. But that's part of every game. क्या लगता है आप लोगों को कि पॉलिटिक्स भी नहीं हो और गालियां भी ना निकालें, झगड़ा भी ना करें?
पर आप
चुपचाप-
तो गाली देते ही नहीं।
मैं गाली नहीं देती हूँ. मैंने पूरे शो में एक भी गाली नहीं दी. लेकिन आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि ये कुछ भी नहीं होगा तो शो चलेगा कैसे?
बट आप जब दूसरे आपके सामने गाली दे रहे होते हैं आपको मन करता है चुप करा दूं कि
मुझे प्रॉब्लम है आज भी. आई एम नॉट जजमेंटल दैट वे बट आई एम सॉरी बट व्हेन वुमेन यूज फाउल लैंग्वेज
हेलो हैव यू मेट मी
I
येट
don't like it. I'm sorry.
ओके
But you have been very nice. You're very intelligent, sophisticated. मेरे ना मन में गलत फहमी है. And I agree and I accept it कि जो गालियाँ देता है ना इंसान
वो
बहुत
गल-
ज़्यादा,
हाँ।
वो पढ़ा लिखा नहीं है. मुझे प्रॉब्लम है ऐसा. मैं ऐसा सोचती हूँ कि उन लोगों के एजुकेशन में प्रॉब्लम है. And I'm somebody who values education a lot.
ओके ओह लाइक व्हाई
I would not date anybody who is just 12th pass. I need at least.
व्हाई दिस
Bachelor.
इज न्यू
I feel that जो चीज़ आप कॉलेज में सीखते हो ना आप वो बिना पढ़ाई के नहीं सीख सकते. I
बट
was
यार
talking-
श्वेता कभी तो काम आया नहीं पढ़ाई करके
आपको पता नहीं होता कि पढ़ाई आपको क्या दे रही है बट बहुत कुछ देती है. जब आपको ये कहा जाता है ना कि आप पढ़े लिखे हो या नहीं हो, इट्स नॉट अबाउट योर डिग्री, इट्स नॉट अबाउट कि आपने साइंस पढ़ा है. इसका मतलब ये होता है कि जिस माहौल से आप रह कर आ रहे हो वहाँ आपने क्या सीखा होगा. इट्स नेवर डायरेक्ट कि तुम पढ़े लिखे हो या नहीं. डजंट मैटर व्हाट यू लर्न अराउंड इट, दैट मैटर्स. मास्टर्स करते हो आप थीसिस कर रहे हो अपनी, आप अपने प्रैक्टिकल्स कर रहे हो. यू गो टू डिफरेंट कॉलेजेस, यू मीट डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ पीपल, यू गेट एक्सपोजर, यू गेट मोर इंटेलिजेंट. मास्टर बुक्स ने आपको कुछ नहीं दिया बट उन 2 सालों में जो आप करोगे वो आपको बहुत कुछ देगा. वो आपको बिना पढ़ाई के आप कहाँ से लोगे?
So you are saying basically you are just making a statement where you are saying education gives you exposure.
Education gives you a way of better thinking. You get a very good perspective of life, which you will lack if you're not educated.
Okay. Samyukta, do you think is over dramatic?
She is over dramatic, but that's the beauty of her. She's over dramatic even off camera. She's always loud. She's always jumping around. Camera है या नहीं है, she's always very loud. But that what makes it different, and that's her beauty.
Okay. Ask her whether she was really the real winner. What the fuck is that question?
Can I? I'm sorry. I just recently learned something. I've learned this very recent, and I'm using it too much when I don't want to say anything. I'm like.
People
It's
did
helped
say
me.
you that you are not the real
Yeah, so
winner.
many people. One guy told me कि बसीर ने हैदराबाद में जाके सबको ये बोला है कि लड़की जितानी थी इस बार तो लड़की तो बहुत सालों से जीती नहीं है, तो टास्क को इस तरह से किया गया कि वो जीत गई, अच्छे से दिखाया नहीं गया. So much I've heard. Who cares? Basir knows, right?
Basir knows. Trust me, Basir knows. Basir and me have had this conversation also, and Basir, I think, see, the thing is, Basir was very, how do I say this? Basir was very bratty when he entered, right? Now, when he's seen the struggle, the hustle, he's calming down. He's touching the roots.
That's true.
Yeah, he's touching the roots. So he now, when if you talk to him, he will not say that. But pehle us.
No, I'm not saying he said that. I said people came to me, told me that he has said that.
Okay.
Because he did not want to be seen law in his own community in Hyderabad.
Okay.
So that's why he said कि लड़की को जिताना था तो लड़की को जिता दिया.
How your reaction was this one?
Now I have this reaction. I learned recently. I started to execute that recently.
Okay. Ask her about Priyank Sharma from her season.
I'm not friends with him. I don't like him. Sorry. He said something in Big Boss. He said in the show, कहाँ है winner? वो अगर famous होती तो वो आती ना show में. And everybody knows why he was in the show. So
Why he was in the show?
I don't know. Everybody knows.
What? I'm missing out something. What? Why?
No.
Like he went to the show because he was a good-looking guy, according to me, and all of that reasons.
I think somebody brought him inside.
Vikas.
I don't know. No. Somebody would have brought him because I had my chances. And he said that in the show. In some clip. I got that clip. I'm like, तुम पहुंच गए हो ठीक है, but तुमको किसी दूसरे को नीचा दिखाने का क्या मतलब बनता है? वो भी लड़की को, just because she has won, just because you wanted to win and you couldn't. I had lot of following. I had seen lot of popularity and fame, but I have seen hate comments about me, which never bothered. But I've had these comments.
That okay.
I told you, guys were intimidated by me, which I did not want to. I went to win the show, Bhavya. I don't care what others think. जिस दिन मैं जीती थी ना, एक पंजाब की लड़की थी हमारे शो में, उसने मुझसे पूछा था, I'm telling you again, I think girls didn't like me, and they didn't find me cool to win the show. So she said, तुम्हें पता था तुम जीत जाओगी. Like they were not believing that I won, and they were not happy about it. I said, हाँ तुम लोग जीतने नहीं आए थे क्या? क्या करने आए थे? Like you guys come to the show, ये सोच के कि देखेंगे अगर जीतोगे कि नहीं. But I came with the mindset that I will win. अब अगर मैं जीतती हूँ नहीं जीतती हूँ अलग चीज़ है, but at least आप enter तो एक अच्छे mindset से ही करोगे ना.
So, like, I'm actually very sure.
Sorry, I was very blunt about it because I can play those sugar-coated things. He's a very nice guy. He has met my parents actually when I won. My parents like him. Everybody around me likes Priyank. It's not I don't like him. I don't have hate or grudges
Now
against
left
him.
him.
Even then, I was like, why he has to
But
say
you
that?
were approached for that Big Boss
Yes,
season.
I was.
Oh, but he went
Yeah.
because somebody took him.
I don't know.
Please let me know in the comment section. I
But
really
he said that in that clip, and he said in a very, putting somebody
demeaning
down.
way.
Yes.
Demeaning way. But you know what, Shweta? I'm not giving a reference to this, but I'm just saying, the world always gives you the karma back.
I'm not against him now.
No, I'm just not.
Don't make it a reel and start with the statement, I don't like Priyank. It wasn't that way. It's just that he made a comment and I never got a chance to be friends with him. But he's friends with many of my good friends.
Yeah.
And everybody says a lot good about him. I never got a chance to interact with him after.
I
he came
want to
from
get
Big
to
Boss.
know him, honestly, because
Call
all
him.
of the people, I know, all of the people around me keeps talking shit about him. I'm like, what is wrong with this?
And all people around me would talk good about him.
So it's such a mixed reaction. It's such a mixed reaction. Okay. Shweta is the only second female contestant who won by performing a task after Palak Johal. What does that show? What does that say about the show?
We got good girls. I think this year a girl would win. Who knows?
No.
No? You don't think so? पर अब एक प्रॉब्लम हो गया है आजकल के शोज़ में. हम लोग जब परफॉर्म करते थे, we never used to worry about anything but the timer. चोट लग गई, जूता खुल गया, हमें टास्क कंप्लीट करना होता था. आजकल जब टास्क होते हैं, everybody is so much into कि हम दिख कैसे रहे हैं, पहने क्या. People are carrying saris in roadies. I saw a couple of elimination rounds. कुछ लड़कियों ने साड़ी पहनी.
Yeah.
Come on, हमको मेकअप करने का भी टाइम नहीं मिलता था. हम लोग कुछ भी पहन रहे, लाइट भी नहीं होती थी elimination round से पहले. हम लोग अंधेरे में ही रेडी हो रहे हैं because we were so much into performing. And why? Because it's not Khatro Ke Khiladi, it's not Big Boss, it is roadies, it is supposed to be raw. And
Yeah, women nowadays are doing a lot of fashion in roadies. Do you
but
think
at the
that's not a
same-
good thing though?
No, I don't have problem. I follow so many good athletes in abroad. They would run, they would do marathons, properly dressed up, too much makeup with long nails, doesn't matter. Makeup makes a woman beautiful and a woman feels more confident with makeup. That's not the problem. The problem is तुम करो कुछ भी, पर task में उसको मत आने दो. My mentor used to say, you be naked. If you can do 100 kgs deadlift, I like you. आप करो कुछ भी. But you can't affect what you are here for. You're here for task. You're here to win. साड़ी पहन के आप शो नहीं जीत जाओगे, you know. I don't know who wore sari, but I've seen a lot of fashion.
Now also a lot of
these
fashion
days.
is happening. But you know what, Shweta, it's so like this year also, coming years also, girls are, it's just, we know it. Like, we hope a girl wins, but
I always do.
yeah, but it's so like predictable that girls not gonna win because you know for them there is, it looks like girls are fillers now in roadies. I'll be very honest, like your like the name which Palak Johal, Shambhavi, you, Bani, Datta, these women were not a filler and you just knew it. I'm such a fan when I sat, Datta is a very dear friend of mine, but when I sat with her, I was still a fan. Because I saw her before. You know, I said it on the
She's a strong
podcast.
lady.
Yeah. So I'm just saying that now women come to all this cringe panti, like how like लड़ेंगे.
But auditions में ऐसा लग रहा है कि बहुत strong contestants आ रहे हैं.
वो जीतते तो नहीं है ना, but any which ways. But you nicely put it. I think this can go out in a very good way also. Like you know, the way you said it. You know, जो roadies के लिए आए हो तो roadies में अपना जान लगाओ and you know go for Splitsvilla after that and be all that fashion girly. I think that makes sense. Okay. What did she know about roadies before going to the show?
Absolutely nothing. That's the first time I
You
saw
never
a lot of
watched it?
cameras. I would say
I
never.
watched.
The way I said, I've seen Shambhavi somewhere.
Yeah.
But I've been studious, been nerd, never sat in front
तो
of TV.
decide कैसे किया roadies जाना है?
I don't know. Roadies was just there in my head. और
Okay.
मुझे पता नहीं था होता क्या है.
Okay.
I took that wild decision.
कि audition हो
office
रहे हैं,
से
चल
छुट्टी
ले।
ली और चले
चले
गए.
गए.
पता कैसे चलेगा जब तक आप करोगे नहीं?
मेरे को एक बात बताओ, इतनी देर लाइन में खड़े रहते हैं लोग,
घंटों.
फिर जब मेन बार आती है तो तब तक तो एनर्जी चली जाती होगी.
And that's the game. I can actually send you a picture. मेरे last audition में 4 साल के बाद जो हुआ था. It was in Chandigarh. I took a picture and I was like, इस साल तो पक्का है. I have that picture with me. It's a selfie picture. There was so much crowd behind. I think जब line खत्म होती है, I mean you are entering the room. That's a new energy. I remember first time when I got into PI, I had to pee and the washroom was very far, very very far. मैंने कहा मैं 1 मिनट जाकर आ जाऊँ. उसने मुझे पता है क्या बोला था उस बंदे ने जो भी बाहर बैठ. प्रेशर का ही तो पूरा इंटरव्यू है. ये भी प्रेशर झेल. And I had to. I did my first PI with. I had a lot of pressure. I wanted to pee.
वो सिलेक्ट हुआ था नहीं हुआ था?
नहीं निकाल दिया था मुझे. बहुत बेइज्जती करके.
और यार ये आपकी स्टोरी भी सही है, 4 बार गए फिर भी.
मजा बहुत आता है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है जब भी किसी का रिजेक्शन होता है ना, या आप फेल हो रहे हो, या आपकी लग गई, make it a story because that's the starting point of the story. उसको जाने मत दो.
True. Ask her about Gibran's elimination. Actually क्या हुआ था?
लोगों को अब तक याद पड़ा क्या हुआ. वो बंदा मुझे टीज कर रहा था. मैं रेडी हो रही थी और टेंट में थे हम. वो आके ना लाइफ ऑन ऑफ कर रहा था. ओके आई विल से दैट. मैंने ये नहीं कहा था कि वो मुझे छेड़ रहा है. मैंने ये कहा था वो मुझे तंग कर रहा है. वो पूरा टॉपिक चेंज हो गया. लड़कियों ने क्या बोलना शुरू कर दिया. एंड आई थिंक दे वर लाइंग. ओके भवे नाउ इट्स बीन 5 years. खुशनुमा थी शायद एक लड़की. वो बोली हाँ ये मुझे भी गलत नज़रों से देख रहा था. एंड आई एम लाइक नो दैट्स नॉट दैट वाजंट माय पॉइंट. वो मुझे तंग कर रहा था बार बार मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा था. वो पूरा टॉपिक चेंज हो गया. लड़कियों ने उसके कैरेक्टर पे उठा दी उंगली.
और वो आउट हो गया.
या बिकॉज रणविजय सर डजंट लाइक ऑल दैट.
Yeah,
एंड ही सेड कि
he doesn't.
तू लड़की के टेंट में गया ही क्यों. वैसे तो लोग जा रहे थे एक दूसरे के टेंट्स में. गर्ल्स वर गोइंग टू
That is so true. That happens.
बट देन वो आकर मुझे तंग कर रहा था. उसका पहला दिन था बाय द वे. और वो अपना प्रेजेंस जमाने के लिए ऐसी हरकतें कर रहा था. बट आई हैव नेवर सेड कि उसने मेरे साथ मुझे गलत नज़र से देखा. वो गलत हो गया था शायद.
तब आपने शो के बाद बाहर आके नहीं बोला ये सब?
नहीं. आई थिंक ही ट्राई टू रीच आउट टू मी. नो मुझे बहुत मैं बहुत जगह एक्चुअली बहुत कुछ सुना था मैंने. मुझे याद आता है थोड़ा बहुत फैल गई थी ये बात जब एपिसोड आया था. एंड आई रीच्ड आउट टू नेहा दुबे, आई रीच्ड आउट टू रणविजय की मेरी सारी इमेज की बैंड बज रही है. बट दे आर यूज्ड टू ऑल दीज थिंग्स. दे सेड 2 दिन में शांत हो जाएगा सब कुछ.
हाँ, हो जाता है.
पर वो बातें मुझे नहीं पता थी ना. आई वाज अ न्यू कमर. सो
Do you think the show is scripted?
जिब्रान ने मुझे बहुत गालियाँ निकाली थी कि उसकी मैंने किसी का सपना तोड़ दिया है. किसी का जिंदगी भर का सपना. इतना टाइम नहीं है यार. एक ही जिंदगी है. मुझे पता है कितना कुछ करना है. सो आई लेट दैट गो.
But what do you think about the show? Do you think it's scripted, edited?
नॉट एट ऑल. जिसको 4 साल लगे हैं जाकर जीतने में, स्क्रिप्टेड नहीं है. आई वुड डेफिनेटली से दे हैव देयर फेवरेट्स.
Rigged होता है.
नहीं नहीं,
But
वो होता तो मैं नहीं जीतती. I don't have any connection with
You know, I'll
anybody.
tell you, I think I've learned in this new way. I was doing this podcast, not my line, I forgot who said this. Somebody said scripted नहीं होता है, rigged होता है. So I was
Rigged भी
like,
नहीं कह सकते हो. They are their favorites.
yeah,
They
they know
deep
who
down.
to take आगे ना.
हाँ,
तो
a
वही तो
little.
rigged तो हो गया
A
ना
little,
फिर
a
थोड़ा
little.
बहुत.
बट अगर आप किसी के फेवर में एक टास्क डिजाइन कर देते हो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम दोनों का एक टास्क, एंड यू आर वेरी गुड इन बैडमिंटन एंड दे विल पुट अ टास्क ऑफ बैडमिंटन, व्हाट इफ आई विन, व्हाट विल शो डू? बना तो आपके लिए था ना. ऐसा हुआ मेरे शो में बहुत बार.
बसीर वाले के अच्छा
बसीर के साथ तो नहीं कहेंगे. बसीर वाला टास्क आई डोंट थिंक दे मेड इट फॉर बसीर. वो तो बहुत ही प्यारा कुरुक्षेत्र में चक्रव्यूह बनाया उन लोगों ने. वो किसी के फेवर में नहीं होगा. वो तो बहुत अच्छा कॉन्सेप्ट था. बट हाँ, एक बार प्रियांक और एक शिव, इन सब के लिए अच्छे टास्क बने जिसमें वो लोग अच्छे थे, बट फिर भी हारे. सो दे ट्राई एंड दे आर ऑल्सो द मेकर्स. दे नो कि उसको ले जाएंगे तो ज़्यादा बेनिफिट है. 2-4 अच्छे एपिसोड्स निकल जाएंगे. तो बट इट्स नॉट रॉन्ग. यू बी दैट गुड वेयर द मेकर्स ओनली चेंज देयर माइंड.
Okay, are you friends with Shiv?
Very much. Yeah, he's my very close friend.
So only
he
person-
became my friend after Roadies. No, I'm also friends with Tara.
Tara.
He's not from my season, but he's my good friend.
Tara, I know Tara.
Yeah, he's my good friend.
Yeah.
He's also a very hardworking guy.
Yeah.
Poor guy, but
What? Why poor?
oh, whatever happened with him in Splitsvilla
Yeah.
was bad.
अरे पता है, मैं बताऊँ आपको, प्यार का चक्कर बहुत से टक्कर.
I say to not go with your actual couple to any show. Why people are doing that? Recently, one of my friends' friend
Yo, he
broke
got.
up.
Yeah.
रियल कपल्स क्यों जाते हैं कपल्स शोज में? मेकर्स का तो काम है तुम दोनों को अलग करना, फिर अलग होके आ जाते हैं.
And that girl really did dirty to him. Really
I
did.
know one thing, it's very difficult to find somebody you can love and can be loved. Don't spoil it for money, for fame, for show. Don't. You
It's
know,
beautiful,
if
you
I
said
have a
it.
boyfriend, I would not even put this in the world. छुपा के रखो, है नहीं वो अलग बात.
मैंने भी छुपा के रखा था, मेरा भी नहीं चला. अब बोलो.
ऐसा है क्या?
Okay, what a player. श्वेता जी को तो गैंग लीडर होना चाहिए था.
MTV.
स्ट्रॉन्ग प्लस ब्रेन. एक उसके स्टार्ट थ्रेड देखो. एग्जैक्टली रिया की जगह इसको लेना चाहिए था रोडीज में.
पता है जब रफ्तार ने एंट्री की थी ना, मुझे याद है तब किसी ने मुझे बताया था, कमेंट्स पे है, उन्होंने पूछा था कि हु यू थिंक विल बी न्यू
Gang
gang leader. There was so much comments with my name, and that year Raftaar entered.
रियली?
Yeah, I know.
ब्रो बता दो ना, अगर कभी बुलाया है तो पैसे का बता रहे हो अपना.
पैसे का मुझे नहीं बुलाया.
झूठ बोल रहे हो.
गैंग लीडर.
झूठ बोल
मैं क्यों
रहे
झूठ
हो?
बोलूंगी?
हंस क्यों रहे हो इतना? ऐसे हो रखे हो.
I'm just showing my smile if somebody likes it.
You are grinning. It's like you were called and you're not
Why would I
telling.
say no? Why would I say no about
Because
that?
पैसा है.
पैसा.
Shweta knows the deal, dude. You want Shweta? Throw the money. Okay. Ask her about Meenal and what she think Meenal is as a person.
Meenal got married, by the way, last week. Congratulations to her.
Last week?
Yeah, with a very close friend in Goa.
You went?
No, I did not. Meenal did invite me for her wedding. No, I was shooting for something. She did. She was somebody who should have won the show. Very smart, very intelligent, very strong, very
After you.
brave. After me.
Yeah.
She was very good. I just won. And she's such a sweetheart. She didn't feel bad about it. She still went out and said, I think Shweta is the right choice.
But
to win
Shweta,
the
I
ladies."
think I just met you for the first time and I can proudly say that Roadies was nothing for you, and I know that my podcast makes people go to Khatron Ke Khiladi. If you know, you know. So you will definitely win one more reality show, and I have full faith. Okay, next question is, what changes in her after first Roadies not selected? What were the changes in you after when you were not selected in the first Roadies?
I was full of insult. I was full of disgust. And it's very difficult to come out of that.
Did you cry after the...
My parents didn't know. मैं तो छुप कर आई हुई थी. और मेरे पास शायद फ्लाइट से भी नहीं आई थी. मैं आई थिंक बस से आई थी. पता नहीं ट्रेन से आई थी. मुझे याद भी नहीं है. I was sad for a very long time. I felt कि क्या कमी रह गई थी. या फिर कौन से दुनिया में मैं जी रही हूँ. बट बबल आया मैंने.
उसके अगले साल ही गए थे आप ऑडिशन?
मैं 4 साल लगातार गई.
लगातार?
4 साल बेइज्जती कराई मैंने. 3 साल. But चौथे साल जो हुआ ना, that kind of covered up everything. That's why I tell people, have faith, wait, it'll happen. It's
When your
about
time.
When I went, I saw a pull-up bar. Before that, I was so good in pull-ups, and this is the first time they have placed a pull-up bar in roadies. When I entered here, like, oh shit, this is mine. And then I lifted Harbhajan Singh and I squatted. I did 6 squats, and Harbhajan Singh sat on me. And then I did pull-ups. There was nothing which they did not like. There was no controversy. There was no such topic which they might not like. I'll tell you one more thing which people should know. Okay, this is very good. लोगों को लगता है कि जो ऑडिशन चल रहा है, जो वो पूछेंगे हम जवाब दे देंगे. अब प्रिपेयर तो करके जा नहीं सकते, राइट? It'll be like that. I was not from this industry. I didn't know much about it. मैंने प्रिपेयर किया था अपना ऑडिशन. How I would say this. क्या 4 क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हैं? वो ये पूछेंगे, वो ये पूछेंगे, वो ये पूछेंगे. इनमें से किसी ने भी ये पूछा तो I'll answer like this. People think that they were driving the interview, but that's not true. I was driving the interview. Because मैं बहुत ही सोच कर गई थी कि ये करना है मुझे, और मैंने वो सब किया. तो जो चीज़ें मुझे करनी थी उसके अलावा बात कहीं और गई ही नहीं, जहाँ मैं फंस जाती, जहाँ पे मैं not good enough हो जाती. So whatever I was good at, I did, and I got it.
That's great. So you
So
did
preparation
prepare.
is important. People think कि वहाँ देखा जाएगा. क्या देखा जाएगा?
No,
तो
no, no.
5 मिनट मिलेगा, तुम फिसल जाओगे.
हाँ, ये तो अभी किसी पीआई में भी मैंने पॉडकास्ट वो इंटरव्यू देखा था किसी का. लोग ये बोल रहे थे कि रणविजय वाज ओनली सेइंग दैट you have to come prepared. You have to come prepared. Okay. Well, how to crack GD round?
Be yourself. Be entertainer. Not a fitness person. हर किसी को पता नहीं क्या पड़ी हुई है. मैं थोड़ी बॉडी बना लूँ फिर रोडीज जाऊँगा. मेरे भी जो cousins हैं या people around me, my juniors from college or office, they would be like, इस बार बॉडी ठीक नहीं है, थोड़ा बना लूँ. मैं सिर्फ 10 पुशअप्स कर सकता हूँ, जब 20 कर पाऊँगा तब जाऊँगा. This is all bullshit. It's not a fitness show. Yes, your fitness is required to do the task. But if you're a good entertainer, they'll still take you.
Why she was so adamant in her first personal interview with Ranvijay and Raghu?
I think I didn't know how to handle anybody. I don't know कौन कितना बड़ा है, किसका क्या position है, किसका क्या designation है. Education. I just came as a personality. ज़रूरी नहीं है ना आप झुक जाओगे किसी के आगे. You were just there, and I think I wasn't adamant because people are used to seeing weak people. So when somebody comes with their own personality, they judge them.
Okay. Who's the most cunning girl in your season?
Cunning.
Yeah, who's the most cunning one?
I don't know. I don't remember.
How was your relationship with Neha Dupe? We've already said her parents' reaction when she jumped from the height.
Oh, it's painful. No parents would like to see their kids in hospital.
You were in hospital?
That's a jump from, that's my accident thing.
So we'll get there then. Let's start.
That's the
That's the question, yes.
that's the question.
आपके देख रहे हो कैसे? मुझे तो पता भी नहीं था ये.
So I was in Surat in Whoop Trampoline Park and I was doing some activities. I was guest there. They did not have safety. They had safety loopholes. So I jumped from some place. Cushions moved. I hit my head and I broke my spine. So now people would say, why did I jump? That place is to jump. And it's not for athletes. It's not for fitness people. It is for kids and their parents and the family. My parents' reaction, they came after a day. They reached the hospital. I was in bed. It wasn't good.
You broke the whole collarbone
I
and the
broke my
spine.
spine. C4, C5, C6. They were twisted and some bone came out. I have a titanium plate in my neck. It's okay. It was painful. I don't think I would ever want this to happen even to my enemy. Very bad.
Yeah.
It's not about what happened. It's also you lost everything which you made. My endorsements were gone. My upcoming work was gone. My upcoming reality shows, if I was signed for, was gone. Everything was gone. And people are so ruthless. People are so cruel. I'm not a proud Indian at all. Nobody supported friends, relationships.
One sec. You said you're not a proud Indian. Why would you say that?
Because I had asked for help from a lot of places. Nobody helped. Ticket police, politicians, social workers, lawyers. Nobody could just guide us or help us. Nobody did. Everybody wanted to make money or everybody wanted to spoil the case. And they did. I could not do FIR against them. I couldn't ask for my own compensation. लाखों लगे भाव्या, मेरी पूरी ज़िंदगी की सेविंग्स चली गई मेरे ट्रीटमेंट में. उसके बाद जो 3 साल का फिजियोथेरेपी हुआ है वो तो इंश्योरेंस में आता भी नहीं है. मेरे पास इंश्योरेंस था भी नहीं, बट वो इंश्योरेंस में आता भी नहीं है. 3 साल फिजियोथेरेपी कराना यानी कि, so it's like that. Whatever I've saved was gone. Whatever was going on, endorsements, they were gone. Upcoming work, I couldn't do because I was bedridden for 2 years. My body's gone and I'm from fitness. What will I do after 2 years when I finally decided to work? What will I do? I made a choice. I took a bag and came back to Bombay with just one bag. I left my trophies, my medals, everything back at home, and I told my parents, I'm going and I'll make everything again. It's a tough journey, extremely tough, but that makes a story again. I'm proud of what I've done, and it's just a beginning. So
this happened after
roadies.
roadies.
Yeah, it's happened in 2019 September.
You jumped and then you broke your spine and neck.
Yes.
Okay. Then you went to Bangalore,
No, hometown, Haryana.
Haryana, and then you found your boyfriend cheating on you.
No, that was roadies thing.
Huh. So,
No, roadies I won in 2017. That's a different story altogether.
Okay.
I came to Bombay in 2018.
2018. So, you were roadies जीतने के बाद आपके साथ ये हो गया. या
1.5 साल के बाद.
हाँ, तो आपके सारा तो जो मेन मोनेटाइज करने का टाइम
सब
था
कुछ जीरो.
सब जीरो हो गया.
जीरो इनफैक्ट नेगेटिव में हो गया था. क्रेडिट कार्ड बिल्स ही बहुत बढ़ गए थे.
तो फिर आप मेरे को बोल रहे थे इसने मुझको एक्टर बनाया.
2 years of bed rest and rehab made me a writer first. then
Rehab?
actor. Yeah, 1 साल तो bed rest था.
अच्छा.
उसके बाद rehab. आपका neck. Okay, for example, you have a plaster on your knee for 3 months, and when you take off the plaster, you have to do rehab for knee. ना starting से चलाना है. तो मुझे neck का rehab करना था. And rehab is extremely painful. That's what people don't do. क्योंकि कोई भी इंजरी के बाद rehab most painful होता है. तो अगर 6 महीना 8 महीना आपका नेक ब्रेस है, उसे आप निकाल दोगे, गर्दन घुमानी भी तो है. वो धीरे धीरे आधा इंच, सेंटीमीटर बाय सेंटीमीटर, it will move. It took a year. After that, my main fitness started again. So I had to come back. बहुत बुरा हाल होता है, by the way. Photographers who used to die to work with me, now they don't want to shoot me. Now I need help. I need free portfolios. They don't want to do it. Though आप बीमार हो जाओ, आप मर जाओ, आपका जो आपके अचीवमेंट्स हैं, जो आपके टाइटल्स हैं, वो तो आपके पास रहते हैं ना. रोडीज विनर तो मैं तब भी थी ना, बट फोटोग्राफर्स रिफ्यूज टू डू शूट्स विद मी.
Why?
सेम बिकॉज आई डिडंट हैव reach on my social media. I'm dead. I just came back. They were not sure what will she do. Even if they do a free shoot for me, it's not useful for them. Makeup artists refuse to do makeup, like in collaboration. It was very bad. I was shocked to see people's behavior. That's why I'm like this now. I wasn't like this before. Now I don't give a fuck about anything. Because people don't support you when you are. वही ना चढ़ते सूरज को सलाम है ना. But that was a very tough time. I really needed help. Nobody.
Mom and dad?
They are the pillars of my life. They are the people who supported me. उनके लिए I would say this thing. I've written a very good poem on my parents. That's not what I'm gonna say now. But how I say, देखो, newly born baby होता है, और parents कितने excited होते हैं, right? They do a lot of things to the newly born baby, and the baby does not know. In my case, my parents were doing a lot of things, and I was seeing them. वही नहलाते थे, वही medicines का ध्यान रख रहे हैं, वही rehab करा रहे हैं. I have not seen my mom sleeping ever in those 2 years, and she's a teacher, she's a principal, head teacher है वो मेरे साथ 3 बजे तक बैठती थी बिकॉज आई डिडंट हैव अ बॉयफ्रेंड एंड शी वाज लाइक ये डिप्रेशन में नहीं चली जाए. सुबह 7 बजे वो स्कूल जा रही हैं जैसे कुछ हुआ ही ना हो, जैसे उन्होंने प्रॉपर रेस्ट किया हो. आई नेवर सॉ माय मॉम स्लीपिंग. शी वाज लाइक अ सुपर वुमन टू मी. एंड माय डैड टुक केयर ऑफ माय मेडिसिन्स, माय मील्स, माय फूड इनटेक एंड माय
तो
रिहैब.
2 साल के बाद आप फिर बॉम्बे
फिर वापस आए. आई जस्ट
क्या सोच के आए थे?
पहले जब मैं रोडीज तक पहुंची थी 5 साल लगा के, I won roadies, I won national championships. Now I got this much. Now I needed this much more to live happily. When I came back to Bombay this time, now I did not need it this much. Now I needed this much. So I've come back to shine brighter than ever.
Why did you choose only acting and not reality shows?
Okay, this is not what I decided when I came back to Bombay कि मुझे reality करना, acting करना है, वो मुझे नहीं पता था. But I knew one thing, that I'm wiser than I was for sure. And I don't see that reality is going to take me where I want to. I see myself an actor because I have a lot of emotions and feelings. I could take up travel as my career. I travel and I could do travel vlogging. Good business, especially after COVID. Second was motivational speaker because I have stories. I do go to colleges and I've done TED Talk and all. I could become one. I don't know why I picked acting. In this age, after all this, people say it's too late. But I've never done things for people. I don't care what they say. I have emotions, I have feelings, and I know I can portray a lot of characters. And acting should be the thing because I want to live certain characters through my acting.
Any bad experience you've had in acting?
Bad experience in
As
acting.
in casting, couch, all of that.
More than casting couch, I think rejection. Because I'm from fitness background, I'm from bodybuilding background, and I'm also from roadies. They did not want to even watch my acting audition videos. 2 साल मेरे videos zero पे पड़े रहे.
यही मैं आपको पूछने वाली थी because a lot of people say that once you've done a reality show you can't act.
Not cannot act. Casting people have this.
Typecast हो जाता है.
Yes. I have met good casting people. They would say तुम कहीं से भी आए हो, एक्टिंग अच्छी कर रहे हो तो हमें प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. उन्हें लगता है कि रियलिटी शो वालों के टेंटम ज़्यादा है, पेमेंट ज़्यादा मांगेंगे क्योंकि ये कह देते हैं हम इवेंट में इतना कमा रहे हैं, 1 लाख कमा रहे हैं, तुम 10,000 में आके ऐड क्यों करें. मुझे प्रॉब्लम नहीं था, मुझे 5,000 में भी आई एम रेडी टू डू दैट. सो दीज आर कॉन्शियस कॉल्स पीपल शुड टेक. I just did CID episode and it's really really good. They presented me so well. I'm the lead in that episode. Recently happened. But वहाँ तक पहुँचने के लिए I did a film in Telugu as a lead. I did a web show with Vishal Furia. It's streaming on Sony Live. I did 2 more web series which are about to come out, all lead, because of 3 years of hard work. So it's not you cannot do. Plus you shouldn't follow anybody else pattern. उनका पैटर्न था, उनका नहीं हुआ, पर हो सकता है तुम्हारा हो जाए ना. सो मेनी पीपल गिव एग्जाम्पल कि शाहरुख खान भी तो टीवी से आया हुआ है, विद्या बालन भी टीवी से आई हुई है, सुशांत वॉज फ्रॉम टीवी. दे हैव डिफरेंट पैटर्न देन सो मेनी पीपल. You start, you might have a different pattern. I might have a different pattern. Ayushmann came from reality.
He has a very different.
Yes, I don't think about what is going on, what will happen. तुम करो तो. You have to have trust in yourself. When I did bodybuilding competition, why I'm telling you all this is, it's a character. It's not कि I became like this now. When I did bodybuilding competition, I didn't know who was my competitor. I would never sit and see कि कल कौन कौन compete कर रहा है. मुझे क्या लेना देना कोई क्या कर रहा है, तुम अपना best करो ना, and then you win. You will win because you're giving your best.
What is your take on reality shows now?
Right now it is turning into cringe, not because of the shows, because of people. They live in their bubble that they're stars. I won't name this guy. I happened to ask this guy his name in Ashish Bhatia's birthday party. I said, hi, what's your name? He got offended. I said, man, come on, you're not Shah Rukh Khan. So be Shah Rukh Khan and then feel bad about it that people don't know you. I can't tell you. You're like, who? She needs controversy. So I don't know what kind of bubble you guys live in. So many people still don't know me. I'm surprised, at least
Okay, new season or old season? Obviously new season only, get it.
2-3 years, yeah. So I should feel bad about at least new roadies people.
Yeah.
उनको तो पता हो ना पीछे कौन कौन जीता है, उनको भी नहीं पता मेरे बारे में. So I can't feel bad about it.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm still not there yet. I would improve. ये तुम बुरा मान जाते हो, इस पे ईगो बनाकर बैठे हो तुम लोग, तुम कैसे आगे बढ़ोगे? There's another guy I won't name. I'll tell. I met Hamid 2 years ago, and he wanted to become an actor. When we met, he was very keen on acting. Now I met him after 2 years, and he has potential. I don't know why he's not using. And I told him what's happening in acting, bro. Nothing, man. I said, do you audition? He said, no, I haven't even started auditioning. And then I feel bad. Why did you do it? Then he said, I got caught up in reality and I got really good offer from insiders. That's the exact thing. You will get caught in less important things, which you think it's important, but it's not. You will be replaced like this in the next season.
Ranvijay got replaced, who are you? But I'm just saying, you know what, when I came out of Splitsvilla, they were calling me for roadies, and Prince keeps telling me whenever he meets me, why don't you go to roadies, why don't you go to roadies? I always वो तो उन्होंने एक बार कैमरे पे ही डाल दिया था व्लॉग में, but I just told him off camera also this, that I don't want to be associated with
reality.
MTV shows now, because I think first I have crossed the age. Second, I don't want to be working under somebody where I know the working culture is so tight and stiff, you know, creatively you can't think too much. So I was like, I'm very good at doing podcasts and I will do what I love the most and which gives me sanity. To be honest, I am right now the own creative head. I will do whatever I have to. I ask questions and people somehow answer them, and that's what I like about myself. Like what Hamid is doing wrong, I think, is that he's stuck up to MTV and a lot of other people also. It gives you relevance, it gives you the name. But what is it giving you in long run is something.
We can judge. They're happy.
Okay, so your take on reality shows now is that it is cringe.
Right now, it is cringe.
Will you do roadies again?
Ask me Big Boss, not Roadies. Roadies I won't. Why would I? I don't think any winner should do that show again. Not just Roadies, any show. Why would they do it? Why would they spoil what they have already earned? They will unnecessarily have a pressure of winning again. Why? Not needed. The thing is, it's need. It's a conscious call. I don't want. Big Boss right now, it's so cringe. I once said in some interview that Big Boss is toxic and I want to go
It
to
is.
remove the toxicity. But no, I think peace over everything.
Shweta, is there anything we have not covered or have covered your whole life? Are you single?
I'm single, yeah.
You're single, not dating.
No, I'm not dating. I didn't find anybody in Mumbai, I'm sure.
Okay. Anything you want to add? Anything going on in your life? Any struggles you've been facing? Anything? Go ahead. Camera is yours.
It's not about struggle. I just want to give this message that do not give up. You don't know what you're missing. When you start working towards your goal, you will be the happiest person. And happiness is very important.
Very important.
Very important. You feel good. I'm happy and it feels really good. And you are able to do more things. अभी तुम झगड़ों में ही पड़े रहोगे, sadness, depression, इसी में ही पड़े
If
रह
you go to
जाओगे.
Big Boss again, you'll fight. If you go to Big Boss, will you fight?
I don't know. I don't think I am that kind of person, but my friends tell me I'm
Will you
proper
win the
material.
show?
I will win the show. Yes. What else I'll go for?
Khatro?
Khatra to I am rigged winner.
Rigged winner?
It's like I can say that about myself.
You
put
win.
me there, I'm gonna win, man. Come
Abhi
on.
injury ke baad have they approached you?
I was talking about that only. After injury, they have approached me for Big Boss. I had a couple of meetings. I'm having meeting for last 3 years, to be honest. And every year they ask about my injury. I think they're not taking me because they think I'm injured still. But बहुत कुछ अच्छा हो रहा है. उसकी वजह से I focus too much on the things which I want to do. Acting. Now, I wouldn't have spent that much time. I spent time on acting. I did.
So good. Have you taken acting classes? Have you learned?
I had not taken those so-called acting classes, but I am in touch with multiple people. So I take guidance. I like something, I discuss.
Okay.
I do scene work.
You never were the insider for any MTV show
No.
also?
The way you say you don't want to stick to one thing, how long you'll do it? I'm somebody, this is my third career, from IT to fitness to roadies. Now I don't want to stick with that forever.
Yeah. So guys, this was Shweta for you. Shweta, any message for your fans who wanted to see you on the podcast?
I just messaged that don't
Be happy.
don't give up. You can't be happy just by saying be happy. When you start doing things what you like,
Yeah, man.
then life becomes very beautiful.
Yeah. So guys, this was Shweta for you. Shweta, thank you. Love you. And honestly, such a sweetheart.
I love
And
this.
yeah, and thank you for coming on my channel. It
pleasure.
really means a lot to me. I hope a lot of Haryanvi women get inspo out of this, because it's such a vibe having you on my couch. But guys, this was Shweta for you. New video dropping every Wednesday, 4:45 p.m. Till the time I see you next. Have an amazing Wednesday. Bye. Toodles.